Hello there, today we're going to learn how to extract rivers of specific areas. Here we're going to find out the rivers that are inside Chittgong and Dhaka district. First go to the attribute table of district. Then here name 1 indicates the divisions. Now go to the select by attribute. Name 1 equal to get unit values, find out Dhaka. Then OR, you should use OR because by using OR you can get the rivers that are both in Dhaka and Chittgong. But if you use AND, it will give the rivers that are common, not the all rivers, just the common rivers. So name 1 again, then equal to Chittgong, verify, OK. Now you got the selected layers. Now right click and get to the selection and click create layers from selection. This layer will show only the selected portion. Now we got the layer which includes only the Chittgong and Dhaka district. Now we have to cut the river shape file according to this. Now go to the selection and selection by location. In target layers, we must give the shapefile that we want to cut. Here, river. Then apply. Now the rivers that are inside Dhaka and Chittgong district is selected. Now go to selection and again create another layer. Okay, now turn off all the layers and just keep the last one. Yes, this will show you the rivers that were inside Dhaka and Chittgong division. Now if you are asked to find out the rivers that are in Dhaka or Chittgong district, then just go to the attribute table and use the name 2. Name 2 indicates the districts. That's all. Thank you.